By 2030, 400 million people will have to be potentially displaced from work. But why? Yes, you're thinking right. AI robots. AI robots are rapidly replacing humans in various fields. So, what will be the result of this? Will humans lose their jobs completely? What will happen to the world? You'll find answers to all these questions in this video. AI is changing the way many jobs are done, and it's happening fast. For example, customer service representatives are being replaced by chatbots that can answer questions 24/7. In warehouses, robots now handle tasks like packing and moving items much faster than humans. Receptionists are being replaced by automated systems that greet visitors and manage schedules. Even accountants and bookkeepers are seeing their tasks automated with advanced software that handles data more accurately. Retail stores are also using AI-powered self-checkout systems, reducing the need for cashiers. Insurance companies now use AI to assess risks and approve policies without human involvement. Researchers and analysts rely on AI tools to gather and process data much quicker than before. While these changes make businesses more efficient, they also mean fewer jobs in these areas. But some jobs, like teaching, require personal interaction and creativity, making them harder to replace. Lawyers and judges rely on critical thinking and decision-making, which AI cannot fully replicate. Artists and writers may use AI tools to assist them, but creativity still comes from people. The rise of AI doesn't just take jobs away, it also creates new opportunities. People who can understand and work with AI will have an advantage. Jobs in AI development, machine learning, and data analysis are growing quickly. So, while AI automates many tasks, it also opens doors for those ready to learn and adapt. Who is most impacted? AI impacts different groups of people in different ways. According to research, Asians are the most affected, with 24% of their jobs exposed to AI. Women face slightly higher risks than men, with 21% of their roles being impacted compared to 17% for men. These changes are because many jobs in fields like customer service and data entry, where women are often employed, are easily automated. Education levels also play a big role. People with a bachelor's degree are the most affected, at 27%. This is surprising because we usually think more education means more job security. However, jobs like accountants, analysts, and some technical roles that require degrees are easier to automate. On the other hand, people with only a high school diploma or less are less impacted because their jobs often involve physical work or personal interaction, which AI struggles to replace. AI also affects industries differently. Retail workers, cashiers, and warehouse staff are at high risk of losing their jobs to automation. In contrast, the rise of AI also creates new opportunities. People who learn skills like programming, data analysis, or working with AI tools can find new, high-paying jobs. While AI changes who gets impacted, staying adaptable and learning new skills can help people thrive in this changing world. Jobs likely to be safe. While AI is automating many tasks, some jobs are safer because they require human skills that machines can't replicate. For example, teachers play a critical role in shaping young minds. While online courses and AI tools assist learning, they can't replace the personal connection and guidance a teacher provides. Doctors and nurses are also safe because healthcare needs empathy, hands-on care, and decision-making based on complex situations. Surgeons may use AI tools for precision, but human judgment is still vital during surgeries. Psychologists and therapists are unlikely to be replaced because they focus on understanding emotions and building trust, something AI cannot do effectively. Similarly, lawyers and judges require critical thinking and complex reasoning to make fair decisions, which goes beyond AI's current capabilities. Creative jobs like artists, writers, and filmmakers are also safer. While AI can help with ideas or generate images, creativity and originality still come from humans. For instance, writing a unique story or designing meaningful art relies on human imagination. Leaders and managers, such as CEOs and HR professionals, remain essential because they handle team dynamics, motivate employees, and make strategic decisions. AI can provide data, but leadership requires vision and understanding people. These safe jobs highlight the importance of human creativity, empathy, and decision-making. While AI assists in many areas, it can't replace the unique qualities humans bring to their work. People in these fields can focus on growing their skills to stay ahead. The rise of new skills. As AI changes the job market, new skills are becoming more important. Creative thinking is one of the top skills in demand. For example, solving problems in unique ways of designing something new are areas where AI can't compete with humans. Analytical thinking is another growing skill. Workers need to understand and interpret data to make smart decisions. For instance, a business analyst can use AI tools, but still needs to analyze the results and decide what's best for the company. Technological literacy is essential too. Knowing how to use AI tools, software, or coding can open many job opportunities. For example, understanding how to work with machine learning can lead to high-paying roles in tech companies. Adaptability and flexibility are also key. Jobs are changing fast, and being ready to learn new things can make a big difference. For instance, a warehouse worker learning to operate AI-powered robots can keep their job and even grow in their role. Lifelong learning is crucial in this AI-driven world. Skills like curiosity and willingness to learn help people stay ahead. For example, taking online courses or attending workshops can help workers stay relevant. These new skills show that AI doesn't just take jobs, it also creates opportunities for those who are ready to learn and adapt. By focusing on these skills, people can prepare for a future where humans and AI work together. Opportunities in AI-driven careers. AI is not just replacing jobs, it is creating new career opportunities for those with the right skills. For example, AI engineers design and build AI systems, earning high salaries, often above $100,000 per year. This role involves creating software that powers chatbots, self-driving cars, and more. Another exciting career is machine learning engineering, where you teach computers to learn from data. These jobs are in high demand in industries like healthcare, finance, and technology. Data scientists are also needed to analyze large amounts of data and provide insights. For example, they help companies understand customer behavior or predict market trends. This job often requires knowledge of AI tools and data analysis software. In addition, AI product managers help companies build and launch AI-based products. They plan projects and work with teams to turn ideas into real products, such as smart home devices or AI-powered apps. Creative fields also offer opportunities. For instance, AI content creators use tools to design graphics, write scripts, or edit videos, making creative work faster and more efficient. Even businesses need people like AI consultants to help them understand and use AI effectively. They guide companies on how AI can save money or improve efficiency. These careers show that AI is opening doors for people willing to learn. By gaining skills in AI and related fields, individuals can secure high-paying and future-proof jobs in this growing industry. Addressing concerns. The fall of employment? Many people worry that AI will take away jobs, but it's important to see the bigger picture. While AI replaces some jobs, it also creates new ones. For example, during the Industrial Revolution, machines replaced some jobs, but also created factory and engineering roles. The same is happening with AI. AI handles repetitive tasks like data entry, leaving humans to focus on creative and strategic work. For instance, customer service chatbots take over simple queries, but humans are still needed for complex problems and managing customer relationships. Some industries, like healthcare and education, will continue to need people because empathy, decision-making, and personal connections cannot be automated. For example, doctors use AI tools for diagnoses. but still make the final call and provide care. Governments and companies are also investing in reskilling programs to help workers learn new skills. For example, online courses now teach coding, AI usage, and data analysis, opening doors to high-paying tech jobs. AI also brings opportunities for entrepreneurs. Many small businesses use AI tools to grow faster, such as marketing automation or AI-powered design software. Instead of fearing AI, people can focus on adapting to change. Jobs are evolving, not disappearing completely. By learning new skills and staying flexible, workers can turn AI into an opportunity rather than a threat. History shows that every major technological shift brings challenges, but also creates more possibilities for those ready to embrace change. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's explore the future together. See you next time. Do share your thoughts on this video in the comments.